up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sis in a cut. 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 Oh, you don't want to be on my. You don't want to be on my channel.
Record
everything. Sure do.
Darn spikes on your jacket.
Sure do, baby. I record everything. You can't miss no moment, baby. Can't miss no moment, baby. Can't miss no moment, baby. Can't miss no what? Mommy, baby. Y'all look at my daddy. What the? Daddy, what you got on? What you got on? Say hello. I can't stand you. Happy birthday, fool. That boy is big 20. And I don't know who you are, sir, but hello.
You done met Trey like 2 times.
I don't even remember him.
You killed it all.
See at 9.
Yeah, she done took me to Dunkin' Donuts and she supposed to be taking me home.
Shut up. I can't see the turn.
This food done pull up.
The eye doctor said it's not safe for you to drive by. So don't use it.
I forgot you got astigmatism in your eye.
In both eyes.
Oh, you need to wear your glasses. Cause baby, this is not where I live. This is not my house.
Shut up. They probably thought this was gonna get robbed.
They probably did.